Did you know that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is set to become the world's slimmest and most powerful foldable smartphone? This beast is packed with futuristic features, a 200MP camera, under-display selfie tech, and the ultra-powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Let's break down why this phone is so special. Samsung has refined the design even further. The Fold 7 is sleeker and more stylish than ever. It sports a 6.5-inch cover screen and a massive 8-inch foldable Super AMOLED display, perfect for gaming, movies, and multitasking. A 200MP primary sensor is a huge leap forward, plus a hidden under-display camera inside, no more notches in your way. The front selfie shooter? A sharp 10MP. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite and running Android 15, this phone is built for speed, multitasking, and heavy-duty gaming. With a 4,400 mAh battery and 50W super fast charging, you're getting long usage and lightning-fast top-ups. Compared to the Fold 6, Samsung listened to user feedback and made improvements across the board: slimmer design, better camera, and more powerful internals. Expected price? Around $2,000. Launch date? Possibly July 2025. So, what do you think about the new Galaxy Z Fold 7? Worth the hype or not? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech updates.